99 Tahoe no start problem. What I did is as you can see, they're brand new coil. One side of the coil had too much, had actually no resistance, and then I changed that little this ignition module. So I love Chevys, they're always simple, it's always the basic things. But that coil had a hole on the side of it. One of the posts again was not reading any resistance, and the same thing with that ignition module. That's how it was replaced. I bought this thing for $500. 99 Tahoe. Does it need some work? Yes, it does. It needs a stupid mirror. 70 something dollars at brand new at AutoZone or whatever, but I ain't worried about it. It's pretty nice. And they kept trying to start it, so the coil got too hot, had a hole in it. Had to replace that. Ignition module had a low spark, and I cut on an access hole. Gas tank is right here on this rear door, and there it is. I'm going to change out the fuel pump, and I'm going to go. It's right there on the rear door. 99 Tahoe.